It's burger week. We're making crispy smash burgers loaded with pimento cheese, jalapeno peppers, onions, a drizzle of honey to add a little sweetness to this firecracker. You guys are gonna love them. Let me show you how. I know you want some. Alrighty, who are my pimento cheese lovers? It is so easy to make homemade pimento cheese, which I've showed you before. You can find it on my green fried tomato recipe video, which I don't necessarily want you to go back and watch because it's pretty old, and who likes watching old pictures or videos of themselves? Am I right? I hate it. So we're using an easy store-bought pimento cheese today. We'll get our Blackstone turned on. We're rocking this griddle on high heat for these fast smash burgers. First, we need to dice up some white onion, some jalapeno peppers, and set them aside. We've got a good quality ground beef. We're going to divide this into quarter-pound sections, loosely rolling these or forming them into balls. We grab a little bit of my oil. Today, I'm using sunflower oil, which is great for high heat cooking. Get that spread all over our griddle. This keeps our griddle evenly seasoned every time we use it. We'll drop down our onions, our jalapeños, adding a little bit of extra oil, and let these really fry up nice and well, seasoning simply with a little salt, some black pepper. Allow them to hang out on one side of our griddle while we get our balls of meat dropped to the opposite side. Using parchment paper and our burger spatula, we're gonna give these a smash, holding down some pressure for about 10 to 15 seconds, which is going to get us a really nice crust on these burgers, and all of the juices and fat in this burger is going to cook up, staying inside our burger, keeping them juicy and moist. We're gonna go over the top with a little bit of salt, some black pepper, and then let them hang out for about a minute and a half, giving me some time to get our peppers and onions moving around. I love the char that these get on the edges. I've got some seeded brioche buns. I'm always curious to know which brand everyone's favorite is, or if you like them with seeds or not. I'm a carb lover, so I will take all of the buns. A smear of mayo on the inside, regardless of which one you're using, is going to help toast up your bread to perfection. Time to give our smashed burgers a flip, and there's that crust I'm talking about. I know some people love the smash burger. Some people believe in them. Some only like a thick, fat patty. Different strokes for different folks, so tell me your favorite. Me, personally, I'll take any burger any way you serve it to me. A hefty dollop of our pimento cheese goes on top of each patty. Spreading that out, it's going to melt super quickly, so we pile up some of those peppers and onions, and then get them double stacked because it's time to assemble these onto my buns, which looks so good. We add a bed of peppery arugula to this for our big fat double stacked firecracker of a burger. I'm gonna drizzle over a little bit of honey. You can use regular, which I am, or go for that spicy Mike's Hot Honey if you want to make this even spicier. For me, I love the little bit of sweetness that it adds. All right, I'm going for it. This is one of my favorites. The spiciness, the creaminess, the crispiness. It's got every texture, every flavor, and I know you guys are gonna love it. So be sure to try this one at home. And until next time, I cannot wait to see you in my next family style video, in my next video.